I'm here with my good friend Oscar Alvidrez with Custom America. Thank you again.
thanks for stopping by, Craig. Appreciate it.
And the Custom America booth never disappoints. The new logo looks great.
Yeah.
New branding.
Rebranding
really
that's
like
happening
that.
this year. Yep, yes, sir.
Tell me about this device locker. Is that the best way to put it? Merchandise locker?
We call this a smart charge locker. So, in the pandemic, Custom decided to acquire a manufacturer by the name of Amtech, located out of Italy. So we're bringing this device here into the States. A lot of people are looking for like device management tracking, trying to figure out what's going on with the device, where it's been, if it's healthy or not, is it broken? So we came out with this device to kind of manage units that are out in the field. So let's say I have my employee tag here. I can scan it here. And what it's going to do is it's automatically going to open up a door and issue my device. Now what I can do is I can pull it out from here. You can see it's tethered in, so it'll pull it back into the chassis. There's a timing system on here for me to close the door. So you can see this little indicator will start yelling at me in a bit saying, hey, let's go ahead and shut this door so we can move on to your operations. System knows that it's now locked. It says, have a great day. Let's begin your shift. Now my shift is over. I have my device. I need to scan back in. I scan my barcode. What it's going to look for is the asset that's on my device. I can scan my asset. It's going to ask me questions now. Is there an issue that I need to report? There's no issue found. I'm just going to say that there's no issue. Pops my door back open. Let's say, I'm talking with somebody. I close it. There's a lot of smart technology in here that says, hey, put your device back in there. It's going to kick it back out because it doesn't recognize that.
Does it yell at you if you didn't plug it in?
It does. So now my device is plugged in. I close it, and off I'm on my way.
Very good.
So with this device here, this is the host. These are all the secondary units. You can have up to 25. There's different ways that you can configure this with like the smaller box, the rectangle, a larger box. Right now we're showing it with plexiglass. So a lot of different ways that we can configure this. We're treating it more as like an HR system, being able to control devices, see where they're going, see if they're getting returned. I think we're gonna have some real good success here with this device.
I think so. It looks really, really sharp. I like it.
Yeah, well, we appreciate that. So we're excited. This is new for us here at Custom. We're going to be pushing it here into North America. So if anybody has any questions, feel free to please reach out to Craig there at BizTrack or Shop POS Portals. We'd be happy to help you guys out.
We appreciate that.
Yes.
Thank you, Oscar, as always.
Yes, sir.
Appreciate it.
Yeah, you have a good day.
Good show. Thank you.
Thanks.
We'll have more here at NRF 2025. Thank you.
If you'd like more information or pricing, please send us an email at info@SpartanPOS.com or shop online at SpartanPOS.com and use code YT20 to take $20 off your first order. Please like and subscribe.